My new curriculum, grade 6 English, page number is 68. Lesson 3, the number of sabak, who is the tallest? Abel Amahana, comparative than superlative. Money, don't show I the Torbatai the Tolamba in the Lamani, Gasibalamba, Gasibat Trubalamani, water of the spa, comparative than superlative. In Robo, Yaratu grammar of grammar so superlative Kiroha and comparative Kiro in Savaleva. Grammar man go Kanun, Wakaida. Looks are the precious of Viruzan by cycle Gulu, the carrot answer so young answer. Tinda nam dia, Suso nam dia, Kutu nam dia, Turanam dia. Susi short are Susuhodiba, but then Kutu Kutu so ye. Tura is the tallest to the Balamba of the three. Gasatar Honagulu di Banara. Kutis Kudo the Feta Bolidan Tura Turatore. And Susuhodibaya. The short hour better than Kutu Kudutor Vasha, Bata. Susuhodiba in the Hodwa. Ajiti Podibata Sathli Namortari Gorano. Kita nama dia, jadi mana kita nama orang. Can be used small garage for the comparison हो the most jadi baca jadi have comparative बना दो दिगान बाद superlative from many degree 1 degree 2 small होते superlative from दो दिग्री समझे कि jadi have more baca बाद most so दिन टाइप हो before आगे then तारफोरे पन जातो यो small garage for the comparison होती बारी language point मन बाशा point मन इशारा करो नहीं point होती language होती इशारा to compare two people dua manush or no tigile two dia jinile mafi sod do tigile the comparative podi ba jiri physics or solo then with then or min diba hodiba sodre I am taller than min I boro lamba min hodiya hodiba bang tla lamba boro min tor to compare hodiba somebody hono sometimes with the whole group pura group lo that Ubawa, he eat a she wait it belong. It to the belongs and Gorode. To the superlative player, from this use a small Gorode, use the before. Use a small God the before Age, the superlative or Age Podiba. Certainly, I am the youngest I have Bashado in my family. Answers of the following question of the Solgin. The first one for lesson to Gijdan Goridi for Ritonla. Who is the taller? Honno lamba. You thought or not your friend Torfajator. I am taller and lamba. Then my friend Arfajator. Who is the tallest Honno lamba in your class nor classroom? You know, Honorable Adiba. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Buzbejure Shagamot.